Feng Shui myth bust. A toilet facing the bathroom door is bad luck. Some people say a toilet should never face the bathroom door. Honestly, that's just baseless speculation. In fact, many modern apartments are designed this way because it makes the best use of space. The door is in the middle with the vanity on one side and the tub on the other, and the toilet in between facing the door. This actually makes the bathroom feel more open. So yes, a toilet facing the bathroom door is normal and not a feng shui issue. The only time doors matter is when the bathroom door faces the main door or the kitchen. That's when energy problems start. Drop a comment below if you want solutions to those issues.